Assalamu alaikum students, this is Adika Batul and today we are going to discuss about Graphical Analysis of Motion lecture number 2. In previous video we have already discussed that what is graph, so if you want to watch it then link is in description. But in this video we are going to discuss about distance time graph or position time graph. So let's start our video. What is distance time graph or position time graph? Well, the graph plotted between distance and time is called distance time graph. In this graph, time is plotted on the x-axis and position or displacement is plotted on the y-axis. While the slope of the graph gives us the speed. As you know that slope is equal to del y by del x. In this graph, time is plotted on horizontal line, so del x is equal to time, and distance is plotted on vertical line, so del y is equal to distance. So slope becomes speed is equal to distance over time. Now, how can we represent the motion of any body in graph? Let's take an example. Consider a motion of a car which covers distance of 50 meters in 10 seconds. So what is the speed of the car? As you know that speed is equal to final distance minus initial distance over final time minus initial time. So to calculate the speed of the car, draw a Cartesian coordinate system. The time is at horizontal line and the values from 0 to 10 seconds, and the distance on vertical line and the values from 0 to 90 meter. As the car moves from 0 to 50 meter in 10 seconds, then draw a slope that is starting from origin. Now, the final distance is 50 meter and the initial distance is 0 meter, and the final time is 10 seconds and initial time is 0 second. So by putting the values, we get the speed of the car is 5 meter per second. Now the slope of this graph gives us the speed of the car, which is 5 meter per second. Now you can see that in this graph, time is passing and no change in distance is seen. It means the body is at rest. There is no slope, so speed is 0. So this graph shows that the speed of the body is 0. While in this graph, the distance is increasing with increase in time, and the slope is constant and straight, so the speed is uniform. So this slope shows that the speed is uniform. While in this graph, the distance is increasing and the slope has a curved shape, so the speed is variable. So this shows that if we have a curved shape slope, then the speed of the body is variable. So students, this is the concept of distance time graph or position time graph. In the next video, we will discuss about speed time graph. So don't forget to watch and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.